Righto, so we've got the Ozito double bevel sliding compound mitre saw from the local hardware. It's got a 210mm blade, by 8 1/4 in the old scale. Double bevel slide, double slide bar. We'll open her up and yeah, see what she's like. Give her a run down. Some bits and pieces here. Work out what they're for after. All of them. We've got some support rails for the outside of the saw. Clamp. Dust bag, nuts, bolts, Allen keys. Some knob. And instruction manual. Battery. Nothing in there. Right. Put that over there like so. The saw itself. Lift that out. Bit of handle, that's good. Righty. Got that in the box. We'll have to check that. Alrighty, that should release it. That screws it. Oh, it screws out. No, it doesn't. That should release it. It's tight. Only because it's new. Alright, that releases that. That should do that. Beautiful. There's the cord. I'll do that later. Alright, here. That swings around here. It's got quite a few positive stops. 45, 30 by the look of it. 22.5, 15 and 0. Not locking that well though. And you can go, I'm interested to see, you can go 45 the other way, which is nice. We'll lock it on 0. It's got a safety here. Stop you putting the saw down while it's running. Good. It's got a stop adjustment there, which is good. And what have we got here? Okay. So that's your compound cut, and that has, so that'll lock in at, looks like 22.5 maybe, and 45, which is good. It's a bit tight because it's new. What's it done there? What's it coming all the way over there? We go to 45 the other way too, so you get 45 for both of them. Why? Oh, unless that's. Let's try that. That's a bit better. I'm just wondering. So that's a stop. Oh no, it only locks in at 0, which is okay. It's normal anyway. Normally don't get any more than that. So chuck that on 0 and tighten that, and that'll stop moving. That looks pretty good. And that's spring loaded too, which is handy. Alright, like adjustable guards at the back, they can come out. Don't look too bad. Tell you what, I'll set her up and we'll put it through its paces. Okay, I'll put it all together, put the side bars on. I haven't checked those yet, we'll see how they sit. There. They sit just below, which I suppose is better than just above. That's okay. This is cheap. I do like how the motor is sloped so you can get your 45 degrees on the right hand side. The slide's pretty good. I haven't checked it for accuracy on cuts yet. I'll put the feet on. It seems to be pretty stable. They're not a bad idea. That's not moving, which is quite good. The other option is to screw down through the cast itself. You've got to remember to move these if you're doing your layover 45s. Just slide them out. What else? All the locking mechanisms seem good. Locks down nice. There we go. Locks in nice. That's just my wall there. So that seems pretty good. The laser's inaccurate, as just about every saw I've used with one. Hang on. Past the camera. You can see when you won't be able to see it, but you slide it back, the laser moves. And even when you do a cut, it's not where it's supposed to be. I want to do a quick cut and check for square. I know that side's square there, so we'll do that. I'll come back. Yep. Okay, I did do one of these before, and what I found is it's leaving a blade mark for some reason. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's right there. It's leaving a single blade mark at a certain point, which is pretty ordinary. But no, I don't know whether that's blade or not, but because it's not doing along here. It gets to there and it's leaving a blade gouge, so it could be the blade itself. I might get another blade and test that. I don't know whether you can see it. Anyway, it's a huge gauge, a gouge, it'd be a millimetre deep, and that's a bit ordinary if you're trying to do some accurate work like I'm trying to do. Other than that, it's not too bad. I'll never use that laser. Turn that off. It's not too bad. Look, it's just for home use. I obviously wouldn't buy it as a professional, but it is what it is, as they say. I don't know, the price point is pretty good. It's about 150 bucks. It'll do your bigger timber. It'll do up to 300 mil. What's that out here somewhere? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it'll do 300 mil up to 68 centimetres high, I think. Might be more, can't remember. It's on the box. What's it say? Doesn't say. It's got a 3-year replacement warranty, which is good for the home handyman. Look, if it breaks down within 3 years or something, like you're not happy with it, take it back and they'll just replace it. They won't repair it, they'll give you a new one. Keep your receipt, obviously. Other than that, yeah, it's not too bad. It's got a dust bag, but as you can see, that doesn't catch much. Probably catches about half of it. So, but I generally blow mine down with the air compressor afterwards. But yeah, I think I don't know, I might change that blade and see if that makes a difference. It's bizarre because it's in the same spot. I've done it 3 times now, it's in exactly the same spot. As if you're stopping there and then continuing, but I've done it with a full cut, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, the Ozito 210mm 8¼ sliding compound miter saw. It's not too bad. If I can fix this gouging problem, yeah, it's not a bad little saw. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. Just on a side note, the Ozito vacuum cleaner, highly recommended, works very well.